Hello friends, welcome to my channel, and in this video I brought this push-ups board. Okay, so I am unboxing now. I brought this push-ups board from Amazon. Okay, so I want to start my workouts, so I ordered this push-ups board. It's let me see the price. Okay, I'll tell you the price later. Let's unbox this. Okay, so today only I got this order, so let's see what all we have inside the order and what is the quality of it. So this is the box. Push-up board, foldable. Okay, foldable push-up board. Okay, so it has so for training shoulders, chest, triceps, back. Okay, so this is the board. It is inside. We can fold it like this, and we have two holders to hold it, and we can do push-ups, right? Okay, let's open this thing also. Let's see. This is the board and this is the holder. Okay, this is one holder, and these are supporting things, like we can keep inside or under from beneath. Okay, and this is another holder. When up to some offer is there, I'll check it later. So that's all in this box. Yes, okay, I'll keep it aside. Okay, now let's see. These two are holding and can do push-ups. Let's see what are these things. So it is to hold from down. Okay, so to support the board. Okay, when we keep it down for doing push-ups. Okay, we'll open this. Yeah, this is the board. Okay, so we have to open like this. Okay, it's kind of yes. Yes, you can see the board clearly. Okay, so this is the way we can do push-ups, like yes, so this push-ups like this. Okay, like this. For it is showing for back. Okay, for shoulders blue color, and for triceps yellow color, for chest so red color. Okay, this is, so here we can do chest like this and triceps like this and shoulders like this, and different exercises are there. Yeah, its fitting is good. I'll see. Let's see on the back side. So So these things, okay, we have to keep in at these places. Okay, here we are having holes to support. Okay, so we have to keep these things like this. So its plastic is okay. Okay, it is okay for medium weight and low people with weight below 70 can. It's little moving here. Yeah, it is okay now. While doing, okay, I'll make another video. This is just an unboxing and overall review of this push-up board. The quality of these things are good. So its grip is also nice. Okay, it's very nice, and its board is also very good. And I think it's better if we have any good support below, like a wood or something, because I think this is plastic, and people with overweight, or I don't suggest people with weight above 80 or 85. Above 80, please don't buy. I think it won't support you people, and people with weight below 80 would be fine. Okay, and these are also nice. My weight is around 70, so I think it is suitable for me. I'll just give it a try tomorrow, and I'll make another video how to do the exercises using this. I'll give you another review. So thank you friends, thanks for watching, and have a nice day. Please like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more reviews. So thank you friends, have a nice day. Bye bye.